You know, that house is probably cursed, Katie. They always say that everybody in the movie was cursed. Katie O'Neill joining us now. You're here to talk about Community Law Day. Welcome,
Yes.
Katie. It's nice to have you in the blue couches.
Thank you for having me.
Poltergeist fan?
I actually showed it to my sister when we were young.
It is creepy, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know if
still scarred.
I don't want to stay in that house.
Yes.
I'll tell you all about it, but I have no intention
nightmares.
of going out there. Tell us a little bit about Community Law Day.
Community Law Day is an initiative of the Bar Association's Diversity and Inclusion section. It started about 4 years ago, and it's a way to bring legal advice to the community on common issues encountered.
Right. Is there cost to this service if I come to you with a question?
No, this is completely free. Not to be constituted as actual legal advice or attorney-client relationship, but
direction.
It's free. It's direction and education for the public.
What are the most common types of questions or direction that people are seeking?
We get a lot of calls about landlord-tenant concerns, estate planning, criminal law, criminal representation. We have a referral service, so we field these calls and kind of have a pulse on what the community needs to learn about.
So on this Community Law Day, which happens to be this Sunday from 11 to 2 in the Boston Store lobby, so this is an opportunity if you've got something that's becoming a problem, you can attend this and get some direction perhaps on how you need to move forward.
Absolutely. The attorneys will be available from 11 to 2 to answer questions at the tables. We also have a presentation from 12 to 1 where all of our member attorneys that are present will do a 5 to 7 minute presentation on each topic.
Of their specialty or each topic. How many lawyers will be there?
We have about 12 attorneys attending.
That's terrific. And I know you've done this before. Like, what kind of turnout do you get for this?
Well, this is our first time doing it at the Boston Store and also during the Downtown Fall Fest. So last year we had a little over 100 attend. We're hoping to significantly increase the
but that's a lot, and it's really great because you don't know what to do. You don't know if you should retain an attorney for this specific situation, and to be able to kind of field some questions and get some advice is really, really helpful.
Absolutely.
Talk a little bit about the reaction that folks get when they attend this, and then how they follow through.
Well, it really depends. Some find out that maybe they what they're encountering wouldn't be a case, or they get enough to kind of lead them on the right path. Sometimes we will have our lawyer referral service staff member there to actually give referrals on the spot, and they can go and visit with an attorney for a half hour. But I just giving them the direction that they need.
Exactly. Are the attorneys giving their free time during this event? Yeah, which is
volunteering,
terrific.
And our members and firms sponsored the event. The Knox firm, McDonald Illig, Marsh Schaff, Tellerico and Associates, Gannon University is a sponsor, so we're very thankful. And Hands donating the space. Yeah, fantastic.
And no cost to attend.
Cost.
Do you have to register ahead of time, or is it just walk in?
Nope, no registration necessary. Hopefully people will stop by when they're visiting the spots at the Fall Fest.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have trick-or-treating for the kids.
Okay.
We have about 30 stations, so it's family friendly. And we really hope people will come and visit us.
That's terrific. Again, it is Sunday from 11 to 2 at the Boston Store lobby. And yes, Fall Fest is kicking off in Perry Square at pretty much the exact same time. So a lot going on. It's going to be a nice weekend for that as well. Katie, thanks for joining us.
Thanks
we appreciate it. That's a
Thank
great
you.
service to offer to the community.
Thank you.